Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today I am back with another try on haul. You guys know that this is like one of my favorite type of videos to make. I've been putting out tons and tons of try on hauls and hauls in general, so I really hope that you guys have been enjoying them. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have been enjoying them or what else you guys want to see. Makeup tutorials coming very soon, so stay tuned for that. And today, as you guys can see in the title, we are celebrating SheIn's 11th anniversary. Basically, if you guys don't already know what SheIn is, it is a market that has super cheap items, like the exact same things as Fashion Nova and all those other big super popular boutiques that you guys shop at. They have the same exact thing, but they're like 5 times cheaper. And right before I go into showing you guys the things that I got, I do want to mention that you guys do get free shipping and you also do get a discount with my discount right here. So thank you to SheIn for partnering up with me. Once again, you guys know that I have been working with them for years. And take advantage of this amazing discount and deal since it is their 11th birthday. So go check them out. All of the items I'm going to be having are going to be linked in the link down below. So it is for easy access. Also guys, I did get my nails done. Finally, I was looking like a boy for like 10 million years. But she's back, she's better. Whenever I'm shopping with SheIn, I always pick up like the essentials, the basics, like some cute graphic tees, some cute sets. The first top, I've gotten this top so many other times in like black, white, cream, and now pink because it is so cute. The material is super comfy. This cute top says it's your lost babe. I just think that it's really cute and sassy, and I love this dusty pink color. And second, I got this super cute accessory. I before never really used to check out SheIn's accessories, but you guys definitely should. I feel like most people only know them for their clothes, but they actually have pretty freaking good quality accessories. They're like probably even better than Forever 21 quality sometimes. The only thing that's kind of trippy to me is that this pin right here is an actual pin. Like if I open this up for you guys, it's an actual pin, so that kind of scares me because that's like really dangerous. I'm gonna try to like super glue that just so I don't stab myself. But it has a safety pin, it has a lock, some dice, and this pin right here too. I love how it's just like a one and done chain. So cute. Then I have this top, and I've gotten this one in like a cheetah print before, like 2 other times, and it's just really cute. You can wear this with actually everything. I'm gonna be saying that about every single piece because everything is just such a staple. It's a basic little black top with an O-ring in the middle, and it just fits kind of like a halter. It's just a tie back, so it just makes everything so much more intricate and pretty even though it's such a simple top. Okay, and I'm also planning to do this one thing with some of these tops that I picked up from SheIn. So there's this top here that's like half black and half neon, and I'm planning to do this thing on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram already, definitely go check it out in the link down below. It's just Aidette. I think for Halloween, if you guys can guess what I'm trying to do with this half green half black, no, it's not Billy, but it is a character, and I'm planning to do it for like Halloween, like a Halloween look. So this is such a cute little top. I haven't seen anything like this actually. So SheIn has a lot of unique pieces that I haven't seen anywhere else. I really like this top right here. I'm so excited to wear this. So it's a black ribbed top, and then it just has a whole chain on it. Like it actually has a chain on it, so the back is kind of like more exposed, so you can see kind of some of your back. I would think that the chain would be very light and cheap since it is so affordable. I think it's actually like fairly heavy, like it's good quality. And next, I just noticed that I showed you guys a bunch of black items already, but this is going to be like the billionth one that I've showed you guys already. So this is a dress. I like how it's like stretchy and it's not like compressed and just like suffocating material. So I really like that this is cotton. I always get a small, I never get an extra small. Sometimes I like to get an extra small so it can fit me like extra tight, but definitely get a small because it will shrink into like smaller than a small, if you know what I'm saying. It looks like a basic dress up until you reach the bottom, because then you have like this pretty frill. Oh my gosh guys, this top right here with the pants that I'm going to show you guys later on, it's gonna be such a look. Oh my gosh, tomorrow I have to go and take my passport pictures, so I might just wear this. I might do like a little 2000s look for my passport picture. This is the top right here. It's just a pink halter top, and then it scrunches right here, or it also gives me like Sharpay vibes, like Sharpay Evan vibes. The good thing about this, there's only mediums left in this one, so I had to pick it up in medium. But if you guys take a look at it, let me just show you guys how sparkly it is first. Maybe not in this lighting, you can't tell as much, but like I was looking at it in the sun, and girl, let me tell you, it was sparkly. And then also with flash, and then you turn it around and it's kind of like backless, but then it has this clip where it's adjustable, so even someone, if you were a large, medium would probably even fit you too, because it goes all the way up to here, so you can clip it like pretty far out, clip it pretty far in. This one is very adjustable and it's so pretty. This top would be iconic for Halloween, especially coming up. Like, I think this was about 20 bucks, something like that. And usually these types of tops run for like, dude, I can't even tell you, like in the hundreds. Next, I know that you guys love to see when I pick these up because they are so wearable. Like, you can wear them for anything. This is the top. It kind of reminds me of this one boutique that's on Instagram. I can't think of it from the top of my head, but it's a very popular LA boutique, and then it just has like the fire all over it, so it's very cute. It's like a wife beater type material, but it is a little bit softer than that, so I do like that. I would actually like tie this in a knot in the front just so it's tighter, and it also like kind of adds a little bit more pizzazz to it. Then I got this black crop top, and look at how cute these anime little angels are. I haven't seen anything like this just yet up until I saw SheIn. I just thought that it was a really creative like take on the whole angel trend right now, and it's so cute. Like, they have a little lollipop and cute little rosy cheeks. Then I got this other wife beater material type tank, and it's so cute. Look at the quality of this embroidery right here. It's not even a patch, like it was actually embroidered on, so I really do appreciate that. Then I picked up this essential right here. The only thing that I do have to say about this is that the straps aren't very flexible. They're just kind of very stiff. I would be careful with this. Try not to stretch it out too much because the straps do seem like they can rip a little bit easier since they're not stretchy, but it's just like a faux leather type looking top. And another glittery top, of course. What would a haul be if I didn't have something glittery, am I right? It's pretty similar to the black one that I showed you guys with the O-ring, but this one just has a rectangle ring. Look how shiny this is. It's really reflective. This one is just glitter. It's not actual like diamante type material like the other top that I showed you guys. And also this halter top piece is adjustable. And then lastly, to end this haul, this is probably my favorite thing that I'm excited about from this haul, just because I've always wanted to find a pair of sweatpants like this. I picked up these dupes that are like freaking adorable. I think that they're cuter than the juicy ones, TBH, just because like it's super hot pink. Look at how adorable these sweatpants are, and then they just kind of flare out at the bottom, so they're giving me kind of like early 2000s vibes. So that is all for today's haul. I quickly wanted to come on here and show you guys a mini little try on haul so you guys can get your discount and also get your free shipping, so do not miss out on that. It'll be down below, everything that you guys need to know, my discount, the links, everything. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.